Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle. I'm a full-time educator, special education advocate, and someone who decided I did not want to live paycheck by paycheck any longer. I built an online business with no fancy tech skills and zero experience, just heart, consistency, and a step-by-step system that works. Today, I want to talk to the teacher or the mom who's watching this and wondering to themselves, could this really work for me? And my answer, yes, absolutely. Because I'm not special. I just stopped waiting for someone to change my life and started learning how to do it myself. I said yes to a simple system that runs for me 24/7. Now I'm growing an income that supports my classroom, passion, and does not replace it. And here's the real proof. I've seen busy moms, single moms, single parents, people with full-time jobs, even people who didn't think they were techy, all get results inside the community. Why? Because the blueprint is already built. All you have to do is show up, be coachable, and take messy action. So if you have been watching quietly from the sidelines, this is your sign. It's your time. Just go up to my bio or straight down in the description. My website is there for you. Go ahead, click on Danielle's 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭, and all you do is input your email, and that free blueprint will be sent right to you to get started. You're not late. You're not behind. If you're here, you're ready. Drop a comment and let me know how you relate. And make sure you subscribe for more behind the scenes of my journey. Let's build legacies together. See you in the next one.